Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use C6 by Waves Audio. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm going to set my global threshold. On my low end, I'm going to set a 50 millisecond release, and I will use -5 of range. I'm going to use an 8 millisecond of attack. On my mids, I'm going to set the release to 50 milliseconds as well. However, I'm going to use a 23 millisecond attack this time with a -6 of range. On the highs, we're going to use a -5 range, 15 milliseconds of attack, and a 40 milliseconds of release. And on the upper highs, we'll use a -4 range, 4 milliseconds of attack, and 20 milliseconds of release. And we're ready to listen to it. Here's before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.